Well, g'day guys, how you going? Today I'm going to take you to a place called DeYoungs, and if you like the unusual, the old, or even the antique, you're going to enjoy this. So come with me. Not too far away, it's just down in the industrial estate. It's a really cool place though. Yeah, we've got a little bit of traffic today. Okay, let's make a right hand turn here and go into the old industrial park. Yeah, DeYoungs has been around for a long time, and it's a they do demolitions and salvage, and in their journey in doing so, with pulling down old places, old buildings, old whatever, they've also accumulated a tremendous amount of really interesting stuff that you just don't find in your normal second-hand shops or normal antique shops for that matter. So I think you'll find it really interesting. I mean, I do. I enjoy popping up here, probably, I don't know, once every 6 or so weeks, 8 weeks, and just scumming through and seeing what they got. here we are. This is what you see in the front entrance here, which is pretty cool. Oh, railway crossing sign there. Ha! Even got a shark up there, hammerhead. Look at that. Something out of a movie prop by the looks of it. There you go, what did we want for that? $8 grand. Wow. Then we got another one here. So the moment you walk in the door, you're just swamped with absolutely really, really interesting stuff. So let's go in and check it out. We've got a old outboard there, which is pretty cool. That's a very old one. Early Seagull, $295. That's not too bad. Hey, black and white telly. That's an oldie. Look at it. Jeez. Super cool stuff. That's one of them old telephone exchange things. Operator. Huh. Mudguard off of something. Oh, here you go. My grandfather had the exact same one. Wow. That's pretty cool too. That's really cool. I mean, there's things everywhere. You really got to keep your eyes open. Traffic lights. Old West End sign. Canoes. Old boat up there. Look at that, a ram. Streets ice cream. Another one of those. That's what you find at a fair. The old bumper cars. Look at that. How cool. Another old radio over there. I'll have to go through aisle by aisle. Oh, look at these sculptures. There you go. That's pretty cool. I've got a chopper here. Wow, check that out. Hey, how cool is that? How would you like to have that in your shed Or your lounge room as a shed piece. That's pretty cool. Look at all the work that's gone into that. Wow. And I reckon if you're feeling hungry, might be able to go a bucket of chips up there. What do you reckon? Nuts, bolts, screws, brackets, hinges, the old ceramic fuses. Look at that. Jeez. Yeah.
That's this is like somebody come in and just said you might like to buy this, and I just went, wow, yeah. Cost me a couple hundred each, but find another one.
Yeah. Bloody great for movie props.
Yeah.
All this stuff.
That same guy bringing Jason, the ugly looking fella.
Oh yeah.
Like the eyes in that are real.
Yeah.
Like if you look at the eyes in I've had him dressed up with leather jackets on and fur jackets. He helps sell things. The eyes in there just clear, so lifelike.
Oh yeah.
I put a little bob there for it.
Yeah. Yeah, got a clutch.
And then a little throttle.
Huh.
Villiers Junior. It's 98cc.
Wow.
So someone's done it all up.
Yeah.
So I come across this the other week. So this just needs a little bit of work and maybe get it cleaned up and put it on there, you know.
It's almost like it's like a school project thing, you know, to show kids at school.
Yeah, just
and that.
stationary.
Yeah, you know how like Chrysler used to have the old engines kicking around in the schools? Yeah.
Like there's an old motor up on top of the old buzzer cot over there. We used to run that. The stationary motor over there, bring them up the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of our first acquisitions.
Yeah.
About 3 premises ago, that one.
Yeah, right.
We used to have a big working saw, but it got too dangerous to use. So.
Yeah. Look at this thing. This is fantastic.
You got any blue seed left? Do you have a tray for some of that if you want?
I've got a stack of dry ones here, and I've got half a dozen that I've got I'll do that, and I'll come in half one tomorrow and I'll show you shop.
Bring a couple of slates or something there to do it. Tray. Yeah.
I've got some other things, I've got some pretty after it's dried out. The shade is well cut and small, big. It's pretty nice timber rock.
The Ferris wheel pod.
Yep.
Instead of the bay Ferris wheel.
That is neat. So hey guys, tell me what you reckon. Put a comment in the quotes. Is this a cool place or isn't it? I reckon it is. Catch you later.